Just look at me now. So let it go. Look at me now. I'm free, so look at me now.
Hey Foxies, it's Simon Fox. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday. I changed my days, so make sure to turn on the notification bell so you get notified. Here, I'm just applying my Jeffree Star Concealer. Y'all know I love to use this as a base for my eyeshadows. I like lit by it, and honestly, it's such a good concealer. So yeah, 2-in-1. Here I'm using a white from my Red Blood palette. Sorry about that, you guys. That was actually the Blood Sugar palette. I don't know why I called it Red Blood, but it's the Blood Sugar palette, and I used glucose to set my eye. Y'all know I love that white. And here I'm using my mini breaker. Since I haven't done a tutorial using this one, I decided to use this one. So here I'm using Purple Punch, and the reason I was saying wait was because the look is not going to look complete as soon as we start. It's going to look weird, it's going to look messy, but I promise at the end you're going to look perfect. So after that I went in with some Orange Crush, which looked absolutely beautiful. I'm so happy that this collab was done, and the shades that they put in this mini breaker are sickening. So I would honestly just suggest the mini breaker if you wanted to do some color. You don't even have to buy the big jawbreaker because that has a lot of different colors, but if you're into that, I would highly suggest, because they have beautiful shades and they all blend so beautifully. So here I just keep going back and forth. Y'all already know I like to go back and forth between those two shades just to get a really good blend, to add some depth, and to get some really good contrast there. It makes the eyeshadow pop a lot more. So now just gonna be going and blending that out with some double scoop. You can use any yellow. I honestly, like I said, love the way that the mini breaker eyeshadows blend together. I feel like all Jeffree eyeshadows blend amazing. I say that all the time, but I genuinely mean it. One day y'all will see me on that PR package, okay? Y'all will see me on it. So yeah, I'm just going in with double scoop and just making sure to add some really good transition into there, making sure I take my time blending everything out. And yeah, I hope that whenever y'all watch my videos, y'all feel like I am there with y'all. I hope that y'all feel like it's easy, that y'all can do, because it's honestly just that easy. Y'all really can do this at home, and it's a lot of fun. This eyeshadow look, you could even just use the colors that I have on my lid now and use those as transitions, cut the crease, add a glitter, and that's a look. But I honestly wanted to do something different, step out of my comfort zone, and do something a little bit trippy. I don't know if y'all know exactly what I mean, but it's like, it's trippy vibes. Y'all will get it. What is that word? Kaleidoscope? Kind of like that. The colors. Yeah. So here I'm just cutting my crease with a a cotton swab. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So here I'm just cutting my lid with a cotton swab, and the reason that I do this is because it really cuts your crease so freaking nice. And don't do this. Yeah, don't do that. I made a big old mistake. Well, it wasn't big old. Okay, look. It's very fixable. Makeup is very fixable. If you're a makeup artist, if you like makeup, if you do makeup, you know makeup is fixable. So anytime you mess up, just go back in, refix it, breathe. I always gotta remind myself because I freak myself out. So here I'm just looking up and using that as a guide. I mean, I kind of already had a guide, but it just helps you really define that line and get your cut crease correct, amazing, stunning, and just making it pop.
What if I showed you I could change? I really hope.
So now I'm just taking blue from the James Charles palette, and I'm just gonna be using that in the center of my lid. And the rest of this video is pretty self-explanatory, you guys. Y'all are just gonna go and add colors around basically the other colors. Y'all will see, visually explainable. So I hope y'all enjoy, and I'll talk to y'all at the end of this video.
Will you still be here? Will you still be here? Will you still be here? Na na na, na 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 na. Will you still be here? Na na na, na 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 na. Will you still be here? Na na na, na 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 na. Will you still be here?
So it's not gonna be, it's gonna be really hard. We're gonna have to work at this every day, but I wanna do that because I want you. I want all of you forever.
Na na na, na 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 na. Will you still be here? Na na na.
So this is my cue, you guys. I'm putting on some Morphe setting spray. This smells pretty good. I used to think it smelled like Bud Light, but overall I love it. It's really good, and it gives you some hydration, some glow, and keeps my makeup on all day, which is amazing. So I just want to say thank y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this trippy vibed makeup look, and I'll see y'all Saturday. Bye, Foxies.